Here, our question is evaluate the limit x approaches to 0 x over mod x. First question is limit x approaches to 0 x over mod x, and our second question is limit x approaches to 0 greatest integer x over x, where greatest integer x, this symbol greatest integer x denotes the greatest integer less than equal to x. So solution is we have to calculate limit of this function, and we know if to evaluate limit of a function we must evaluate its left hand limit, its right hand limit. If they both exist and both are equal to a real number, both are equal and equal to a real number, then that number is limit of this function. So first we calculate our left hand limit. Limit x approaches to 0 negative fx. We take 0 negative as we are talking about our left hand limit when x approaches to 0. X approaches to 0, left hand limit means x approaches to 0 from left side. X approaches to 0 from left side, and in left side of 0, x is, what about? X is like 0 minus something, like 0 minus 0.1, 0 minus 0.2 something. Here, h is a positive quantity like 0.1, 0.2, but h is a very small quantity like 0.00001 as x approaches to 0, means 0 के बिल्कुल पास होगा, 0 नहीं है, x approaches to 0 from left means 0 के बहुत पास पर 0 के left में. So here limit x approaches to 0 negative fx equal to limit x approaches to 0 negative x over mod x, and then put x equal to 0 minus h, because in left hand side of 0 x is equal to 0 minus h. So limit h approaches to 0 positive, because h is a positive quantity, very small quantity, but always a positive quantity. That's why h approaches to 0 positive. 0 minus h over mod of 0 minus h. This becomes limit h approaches to 0 positive minus h over mod h is equal to limit h approaches to 0 positive minus h over h, and this is equal to minus 1. Then our right hand limit. We calculate our right hand limit. Our left hand limit is minus 1. Then we calculate right hand limit, and right hand limit means x approaches to 0 from right hand side. 0 from right means x approaches to 0 positive. 0 की राइट में 0 के में कुछ ऐड होगा. Then limit x approaches to 0 positive fx equal to limit x approaches to 0 positive x over mod x. Our function is x over mod x. Then put value of x equal to 0 plus h, because on right hand side of 0 x is of type 0 plus h, where h is a very small positive quantity. Limit h approaches to 0 positive 0 plus h over mod 0 plus h, and we calculate this and we get right hand limit is 1. So our left hand limit is minus 1, right hand limit is 1. Both limit exist, but they are not equal. They are not equal. That's why limit x approaches to 0 x over mod x, limit of this function does not exist. Now we solve our second limit, second part, fx equal to greatest integer x over x. First of all, we see what is greatest integer x. This means if x is any real number, then all the integers, all the integers लेस देन इक्वल टू एक्स, एक्स के इक्वल या एक्स से छोटे जितने भी इंटीजर हैं उनमें सबसे बड़ा, ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ ऑल दी integers less than equal to x. That is, if 4.5 की greatest integer की बात करें हम, if we talk about greatest integer of 4.5, then all the integer less than equal to 4.5 means 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 and so on. Then greatest of all these is 4, so its value is 4. Here we calculate our left hand limit. Our left hand limit is limit x approaches to 0 negative. Left hand limit है, x approaches to 0 है, तो left से approach करेगा x 0 को, so x approaches to 0 negative, greatest integer x over x. Put value of x equal to 0 minus h, limit h approaches to 0 positive, value of x equal to greatest integer minus h over minus h. And this, see, greatest integer of minus h is equal to minus 1. See, we see h is of type 0.00001. Then greatest integer of h, greatest integer of minus h क्या हो जाएगा? Minus 0.0001. And this is, see, this is number line, this is 0, this is minus 1, and this is something, here is RH minus 0.000 something. So its greatest integer is minus 1. So we take value minus 1 over minus h, minus से minus cancel, and this is limit h approaches to 0 positive 1 over h, and this is infinity. If we want, then we can left this question here, because here left hand limit is infinity and this does not exist, so question is finish here. We can say limit of function does not exist, but if we want, we can calculate further. Right hand limit, limit x approaches to 0 positive, fx की value mod x over x, put x equal to 0 plus h, limit h approaches to 0 positive, greatest integer 0 plus h, 0 plus h, greatest integer h over h, and this is equal to, हाँ जी, फिर h ये 0, 0.00001, यहाँ होगा आपका h, उसके greatest integer हो जाएगा 0. So this becomes limit h approaches to 0 positive, greatest integer h, value of greatest integer h is 0 over h, and 0 ऊपर है, पीछे कुछ भी हो, वैल्यू आ गई आपकी 0. हम यहाँ देखते हैं नीचे 0 है, बट नीचे ऊपर 0 है, बट आपका डिनोमिनेटर 0 नहीं है, डिनोमिनेटर h approaches to 0 पॉजिटिव है. h is not equal to 0, h is a positive quantity 0.001 something, h is a very small quantity, मतलब 0 over non-zero is equal to 0. Our left hand limit is infinity, right hand limit is 0. So left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, and that's why limit x approaches to 0, greatest integer x over x does not exist.